I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the controller immediately. Remove 4 screws and pry the shell with a plastic tool so you don't damage clips. Once open, disconnect the battery or cable to avoid shorting circuits. Inspect the joystick module visually. Look for debris, corrosion, or loose ribbon connectors. Clean visible dust with a dry brush, then set up your cleaning station with 90% isopropyl and cotton swabs. This step reduces noise and prepares you for the actual calibration and contact cleaning. Now you focus on the potentiometer and contact surfaces. Apply isopropyl to a swab and carefully clean the base of the joystick where the contacts sit, because grime alters sensitivity. While cleaning, rotate the stick fully in circles so the swab reaches all contact points. This helps dislodge oil and dust that cause drift. Inspect and reseat the ribbon connector. Make sure it's flush and locked. If the module is adjustable, slightly tighten or loosen the mounting screws to remove play without binding. Finish by reassembling the controller and reconnecting power. Tighten screws evenly and avoid over-tightening, because stress can warp the housing. Once closed, calibrate the stick in your console or PC controller settings. Center the stick, follow on-screen prompts, and set dead zones appropriately so small inputs are ignored. If you still see sensitivity or drift, use an electronics contact cleaner or swap the joystick module. Replacement is inexpensive and often solves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.